Hi there guys, Jeremy McIntyre from Australian National Review NR.news. A lot of people are asking me my views on crypto and my views on, should I be relocating some of my assets or money out of Western banks, or even possibly relocating myself out of Australia and America and Europe, etc. And how much time do we have? Look, everything's moving rapidly. In 2026 is going to be one hell of a ride. You kind of got the feeling how much is happening already in 2025. But as we know, things that we do know that are obvious, it's just a matter of timing. The US can't fund its debt of $37 trillion. It's going to implode at some point in the future unless they can re-engineer a great reset. So every time the fraud of the financial system's found out, like the Fed printing, the Federal Reserve, as you know, which I wrote about in my book, What I Didn't Learn at School, but which I had 25 years ago, about it being a fraud. Basically, the Federal Reserve is not federal or has no reserves. The Rothschild central banking system, which has bought up the Western world, and that's why they founded Israel, a fake banking cartel state in 1948, and then lied to the world that God chose them to represent people here on earth, and somehow they stole the Israel name to make Christians think it's biblical, so they could suck dry the American empire like a parasite, because they'd finished sucking dry the British Empire at the end of World War II. So that's how the world works, and they created in 1913 the Federal Reserve and started printing fake money, funny money, and then they'd loan that to the US government. And what caused